Yo, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Tech, and we are back with another unboxing. This time, there's a quick one. We finally got the Pixel Buds Pro in-house. Yes, we're gonna unbox them and pretty much test them out. So yeah, these are the Pixel Buds Pro. Yes, shout out to the guys over at Team Pixel for getting them over, man. We got them in a fog color. So yeah, we're gonna do a quick unboxing of them. Pair them up to obviously what's current at the moment, which is still the Pixel 6a, rocking that in the Sage. So yeah, we're pretty much in line color-wise with it as well, which should be pretty cool. Cool, let's get into it. Boom. So yeah, these are their pro level 3D wireless earbuds, stemless design, which I really like. Got these out. Boom, not gonna take too long with these. All right. Boom. Okay, always like Google's aesthetics as per. One, different tips, perfect. No extra USB-C cable, I might be wrong. Find the best fit, okay, interesting. What does it say? It says place each earbud so that they feel snug. Okay, loose, size up, larger tip, too tight, size down. Okay, cool, thanks. All right. Put this here. Oh, we've got different tips here. Okay, interesting. Oh, so this is two sides. All right, okay. I appreciate that. All right, let's put these here for now. Close. Let's get to the Pixel Buds Pro. Interesting. This is the charging case for it. And obviously, you've got the USB-C port at the bottom. And then you've got the connect button for pairing. But again, should have fast connects that's in there. Let's get them down here. Interesting. Okay, nice. I dig that. They're pulsing. And there you are, people. There you are. As you can see, they're pulsing right there. Quick connect. We're gonna press connect. Set up. This just take a few minutes. Allow. Accept. Okay, we're gonna do each ear seal. Take these out. Wow, okay. Check this shape, save the shape of them first. Okay, here we are. Wow, interesting shape. Very interesting shape. Very interesting shape. Okay, left and right, as you can see. Boom. All right, gonna seal them in. Oh. Okay, it's asking me to check the seal. Okay, so make sure that you're in a quiet environment and you feel it start. Okay. Fits well. Usually I do change to the bigger ear tips as well, so let's see. Okay. So we checked in the earbud seal anytime. Okay. Press next. Shows you the touch controls that you've got here, which is nice. Touch and hold. Swipe forward. It's good. I like the visualization. All Material U based as well. Keep track of your earbuds when they've missed. Okay, accept. Just next. Later. Earbuds are now ready. Okay, so we've got them right here. Contact sharing, AAC. Boom. We love to see it. Okay, there we are. Cool. Nice. Nice. Okay, let's bring up a track. Obviously, we've got to do Kate Renata, Vivid Dreams. Want to hear the bass line. Interesting. So yeah, these are the Pixel Buds Pro. Pixel Buds Pro. Nice, nice. Pairs up really quickly. Put these tips back in. I like these cases for the tips. They're really cool. Just waiting for the bass drop. Ooh. Quick sound test. Yeah, they're clean. Clean bass. Yeah, it's nice. Yep. Auto pause and play is in and active. Yep. Perfect. Perfect. Okay. AC is good as well. Yeah. I like it. I like it. I like it. We're going to put these away for now. And these are quick first listen unboxing of the Pixel Buds Pro. Again, yeah, these are nice. I'm going to test them, do some comparisons, work for the full review as well, and definitely check these out. But yeah, that's it for me, Ben from Lover of Tech. If you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Hit the like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell so you're part of Team TLS Tech Lover Squad so you don't miss any future videos on the channel. I hope you're all safe during this time. I will catch you in the next one. Peace.